Hey guys, it's me Crystal, and today I'm going to be building a new house. I know Damien's probably watching this. I'm gonna give, cause like this house, people are saying that they'll hack me because I copied people. And like people are just like not threatening me, but they're saying like stuff that like I'll hack you, I'll delete this house because you're copying one of D-Field's like tour things. So I'm going to be making a new aesthetic mansion. So yeah, sadly. So let's get started. Let's first start off with deleting this house, sadly. I feel like I'm going to cry, but I'm not, hopefully. Hopefully I'm not going to. So, yeah, let's start. Hold on. Okay, so let's sadly start deleting everything. So, yeah, let's play the music and go. There will be part of this because my limit of filming Roblox videos is 15, so, yeah. Okay guys, I will see you guys right when I'm done deleting everything, sadly. Damien, once again, I know you helped me, model this house, but once again, people weren't threatening me, but like, they kept on saying, like, I'm gonna hack you, and like, delete your house because you copied D-Field's, like, one of his tour people. I mean, that's fine, but like, I don't want to get hacked, because I already did like 2 times, because, my house got deleted 2 times, so yeah, I'll see you guys when I am done deleting this house, sadly. So, bye.